Introducing the production behind Haplast's black drawstring trash bags, a cutting-edge manufacturing line built for precision and efficiency. These bags begin with high-quality plastic, melted and shaped to ensure maximum durability. Our advanced extrusion process guarantees the perfect thickness to prevent leaks and tears. The drawstring feature is carefully integrated by our automated system, adding convenience for easy tie and carry use, making every cleanup a breeze. With high-speed machines, each bag is sealed and packed, ready to meet your everyday household needs. Durable, convenient, and eco-friendly, these black drawstring trash bags are built to handle the toughest jobs. Choose convenience, durability, and sustainability with our premium black drawstring trash bags designed to handle every mess with ease. Get yours today, exclusively from Haplast.